Hello guys, here is Shivli and you're welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you a recipe of Sevia Kheer. Sevia means vermicelli. We call it Sevia or Semia. I'm going to use a very little quantity of Semolina, that means suji. Suji in Sevia Kheer. It will be so yummy and its texture will be so perfect. So you also try this trick and you will love it. So here I have taken some dry fruits chopped and some roasted Sevia and some roasted suji, that means semolina. So now in a vessel I added some ghee, very little quantity of ghee I added, and now I'm adding all the dry fruits in it. Now we need to fry all the dry fruits for about 1 to 2 minutes on medium to low heat. When the color is little dark, I'm adding some milk. This is previously boiled milk and I'm taking about 3 cups of milk in this kheer. I'm making a very little quantity of kheer, so I'm not adding so much milk in this. So after adding milk, we need to add some more things. At first, I am adding 2 cardamoms. I crushed them. You may take about half teaspoon of green cardamom powder, 2 pinches of salt and sugar according to taste. After melting sugar, you may check the taste and you may add more sugar if needed. After mixing well, we need to wait for some time until it starts to boil. And when the milk starts to boil, we need to add the sevia and suji. So here the milk is boiling nicely, as you can see. So now I am adding the sevia. The sevia will be about 1/4 cup after crushing. I am adding it, and for only 1/4 cup of sevia I am adding about 2 teaspoons of suji, that means semolina. You may change the quantity, but it's perfect quantity, 2 teaspoons for 1/4 cup of sevia. I took it much, but I am adding only 2 teaspoons of suji. So it's done. There should be no lumps in it. Make sure that you are using roasted semolina, don't use it raw. After adding vermicelli and semolina, we need to cook it for about 1 to 2 minutes only, and after that we need to turn the heat off. It's thin now, but after cooling down it will be thicker. So now I'm going to turn the heat off and I'm going to wait for some time, for about 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes I'm going to show you the texture and the thickness. So guys, after waiting for about 10 minutes, this is the texture of the kheer. As you can see, it's thicker than before, and it's not fully cooled down now, but after cooling down fully it will be thicker than this. So now I'm going to serve it. So guys, it was Makar Sankranti and I made this kheer, and I'm serving it with puri, and along with this I made a chutney of chilies and tomatoes. It's so much yummy chutney. If you want this, I'll show you the recipe in the next video. So guys, try this new trick of making vermicelli kheer with semolina. So if you try this recipe, don't forget to share your experience with me. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to meet you in the next video. Bye bye, take care.